How to use the Jafron adsorption column with hemofiltration machines. Before starting the procedure, line and prime the machine following the manufacturer's instructions. Part 1. Priming the Jafron column. The following accessories are required to prime the Jafron column. 1 DLS 505 set, 1 C11 tubing line, 2 scissor clamps, 1 double filter holder, and 1 rubber hammer. Open the DLS 505 set and attach the waste bag. Prepare 1 litre of 0.9% saline solution with 25,000 international units of heparin. Attach the DLS 505 priming line to the heparinized saline bag and briefly purge air into the waste bag. Prime the set until all the air has been expelled. Close both white clamps. Clamp the tubing above and below the hemofilter with the scissor clamps. Attach the double filter holder to the hemofilter. Then place the Jafron column in the double filter holder with the blood flow arrow pointing upwards. Using the plastic spanner provided, remove the top cap from the Jafron column by twisting it anti-clockwise. Now connect one end of the C11 tubing line to the Jafron column. Take the DLS 505 line that leads to the spike and disconnect it from the transparent connector. Leave the waste bag and the transparent connector attached. Now attach the transparent connector to the other end of the C11 tubing. Invert the Jafron column in the double filter holder with the blood flow arrow pointing downwards. Use the plastic spanner provided to remove the remaining cap from the Jafron column by twisting it anti-clockwise. Connect the remaining part of the DLS 505 line to the Jafron column. Now place the Jafron column in the double filter holder with the blood flow arrow pointing upwards. Open both white clamps. Using the rubber hammer, tap the column housing to expel air. When the heparinized saline bag is empty, replace it with a 1 litre 0.9% saline solution. Continue priming until the second bag is almost empty. Now close the 2 white clamps. Carefully disconnect the DLS 505 line and transparent connector from the C11 tubing line. Now, disconnect the arterial line from the bottom of the hemofilter. Connect the remaining end of the C11 tubing line to the bottom of the hemofilter. Invert the Jafron column so the blood flow arrow is pointing downwards. And disconnect the remaining DLS 505 line. Take the arterial line that was disconnected from the hemofilter and connect it to the open end of the Jafron column. Now, invert the Jafron column so the blood flow arrow points upwards. Open all clamps. The treatment is now ready to commence. Part 2. Treatment and removal. When the treatment is completed, terminate the treatment as directed by the manufacturer's instructions for use. Discard the Jafron column. Remember to remove the double filter holder for cleaning and reuse. It should not be discarded with the line set. Please retain the rubber hammer for future use. For more information about using the Jafron column, please consult the instructions for use. If you'd like to know more information about the Jafron column, please visit www.linc-medical.co.uk. Thank you for watching.